What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors. This is your boy, Daddy. So, quick little recap on the coilover situation. Funny story is, I lowered the car too much that it can't even get out of my garage. I was successful enough to not measure correctly to the point where I scraped the bottom of my car. As for you guys who follow me on TikTok with the whole Gabagoo skit, let me show you where all my oil actually went. So I put a piece of cardboard under here to not ruin my garage floor as much, but here we are. Garage floor is probably seep through, but as you can see, there's some scrapage, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna kill myself. This is the culprit. This is about 4 inches, and I only had 2 inches worth of clearance. So I guess we're gonna have to take out the oil pan and go from there. It's gonna be a lovely job. Gotta take off the exhaust manifold and all that good stuff. So that'll be fun, right guys? Tell them why your name's Turbo.
Look at me, I'm faster than Lightning McQueen. Kyoshow.
Why do they call you Turbo? Because you're fast as fuck, boy.
Kyoshow.
Fast as fuck. You're gonna help me out, right?
No, I just want to be petted.
Good girl.
Oh yes, there.
Tell the viewers what your name is, Turbo, right?
Sadly, that's the name this human gave me.
You be my assistant?
I have no choice.
You're gonna help me out build this car?
No.
Okay guys, so back to the car. First thing we gotta do is lift the car up. Now, I know my car is already lifted up and it's already on jack stands to make my life easier, but I feel like you guys should just watch me jack this car up. So here we go. Here you go, car is jacked up. 2, get your frustration out, because shit happens and it sucks. And doing this is gonna suck because I'm gonna have to lift the motor up. So, get your frustration out. Karad, can you make me into the Hulk to, you know, I don't know, make me look cool or something? I kind of need that, so let me just go. I'm sorry. Alright, 3, let's find some good tunes. Now for copyright purposes, I can't necessarily play anything, so just find yourself some good tunes to kind of like sing along while you're down there. It'll make your life a little bit easier. You know, maybe you can like pop, lock, and drop it. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we are under my car right now, and I can see right there's a little bit of oil drippage, and it looks like it's coming from the drain plug. However, once I actually look up here, I don't know if you guys can see it, the bolts back there, it's kind of wet. So I'm guessing the oil pan has gotten unseated. So I'm going to take off the exhaust manifold to get to the oil pan, take it off and inspect it and see if anything's going on. And it's gonna be a pain. I gotta take out this motor mount right there. And there should be another one on that side. It should be somewhere over yonder, right there. And then I'm gonna lift it up and take off the exhaust manifold. It's gonna be fun. All right, so let's get back. All right. So now for the first exhaust manifold, or for the first side, this bolt, I'm pretty sure it's a 14, at least I hope so. Oh, nice. First try. All right, so I'm going to start undoing these bolts and I'll show you when it's done. All right guys, first one down. This one was a little bit tricky. I had to finesse the bolts, or the extension. I had to go in between the exhaust manifold and kind of just put the socket up here just so I can get that one in the corner, but it worked out. So 1 side down, 2 more to go. So turns out this bolt is stripped. Luckily for me, I decided to check my bag of random goodies, and I actually have a T-fitting that'll go right on here. So I'm gonna give that a shot. If you don't have one of these, then you're kind of SOL. I mean, you probably get away with like a smaller socket or something, but I don't recommend, but to each their own. So if you want to do it, whatever. But I'm gonna see if I can try to get this one out. I already loosened this one up. I'm probably just gonna use an impact wrench to finish that one off, and hopefully I can get the last 2 up there. So remember when I said earlier to get all your anger out? Well, turns out I just broke that bolt right off. I don't know. This This is not turning out too good, guys. Alright, guys, well, I tried. I guess the next thing I'm gonna do is use a Dremel, and I'm gonna cut the bolt out. Alright, so I got my Dremel out. I'm gonna start cutting away. Remember, if you're gonna do this, safety is my #1 priority. Make sure you're wearing your safety goggles. Also, make sure you have jack stands on, because if not, you're gonna die. So, either that, or make sure you have like a... what is that thing? Whatever. Just, yeah, don't die. Alright guys, so just a little bit of an update. It's getting kind of late and I still can't get that bolt out. So, gonna have to wait until I go to the store and see if I can find someone to take that bolt out. Let me know if any of you guys gone through the same thing. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Maybe we'll get this figured out.